Does the rotten egg smell come from hot water only, or from both hot and cold? Test that first, because it reveals whether the problem begins inside the water heater or enters with the water supply. If both temperatures smell, the source may be the municipal supply, well, or plumbing system. Check several fixtures and contact your water provider or arrange water testing, especially if you use well water. If only the hot water smells, hydrogen sulfide is likely forming inside the heater. Certain water conditions allow sulfate-reducing bacteria to react with the tank's protective anode rod, producing the recognizable odor. This is more common with well water, softened water, or a heater that has remained unused. Flushing may remove loose material, but persistent odor usually requires the tank and hot water lines to be professionally disinfected. The anode rod should also be inspected. A plumber may recommend a different manufacturer-approved anode material that is more compatible with your water chemistry. Never permanently remove the anode rod just to eliminate the smell. It protects the tank from internal corrosion, and operating without it can shorten the heater's life or affect its warranty. If the odor returns after treatment, test the incoming water so the underlying chemistry or bacterial source can be addressed. Does the smell affect only your hot water or both temperatures? Tell us in the comments.